Welcome aboard. Get ready to explore the Lakers 612 Mini Pontoon Boat, the perfect blend of compact design and big adventures. Are you looking for a fun, versatile, and easy-to-manage boat for your leisurely days on the water? The Lakers 612 is designed precisely for you, making boating accessible and enjoyable for everyone. Don't let its mini size fool you. The Lakers 612 packs a punch with features designed for comfort and functionality. It's perfectly sized for intimate outings without sacrificing the pontoon experience. Step aboard and discover its thoughtful amenities. From comfortable seating to clever storage, every inch is optimized for your enjoyment and convenience, ensuring a relaxing day out. Laker pontoons come standard with a rugged, spray-on truck bed liner on the aluminum deck, providing a durable, non-skid surface for enhanced safety. This feature ensures a long-lasting, low-maintenance floor that resists water damage and the rigors of boating activities. The Lakers 612 truly shines on small lakes, tranquil rivers, and calm bays. Its nimble design allows you to access secluded spots, making it ideal for peaceful retreats and gentle cruises. One of the biggest advantages of the Lakers 612 is its incredible portability. It's incredibly easy to transport on a small trailer and launch, meaning less hassle and more time on the water for you. This convenient size also allows it to be towed by a wider range of smaller vehicles and explore more secluded waterways. Whether you're casting a line, enjoying a picnic with loved ones, or simply soaking up the sun, the Lakers 612 is incredibly versatile. It adapts to your every whim, making every outing a memorable one. Ready to experience the joy and freedom of the Lakers 612 Mini Pontoon Boat? Visit our website and contact us today to start your next water adventure. Looking for a local dealer? No need. DirectBoats.com ships anywhere to the continental United States directly to you. So just give us a call or build your Laker how you want it directly on our website. It's really that easy. So don't hesitate and order yours today so you don't miss out tomorrow.